With the growing popularity of cryptocurrencies, more venture capitalists are expecting to cash in on the benefits. Previously, it was difficult for common people to obtain currencies such as BCH, ETH, and BTC. There are numerous new ways to access cryptocurrencies in a more direct manner. In this essay, we'll show you how to earn Bitcoin and get paid in cryptocurrency without having to buy it. It's an ideal way to make money alongside similar ventures like starting a business. Plus, all of the video-related work experience could hugely boost your CV and help you get a job related to film, TV, or digital media. There are loads of ways to watch videos for money, and we'll go through the best options here. Airdrops, online surveys, and task completion activities are all common ways for new businesses to obtain free cryptocurrency. Before we go into how to effectively secure BTC, it's a good idea for our readers to brush up on the basics of this niche currency. You could also use a crypto financing platform that functions similarly to a bank loan. It's a simple method to earn money while also making the most of cryptocurrency. If you've already begun investing in cryptocurrency, you might want to expand your horizons, and using loan services is a great method to do so. How to start a Bitcoin business. Individuals must first create a wallet address in order to begin receiving Bitcoin. This can be accomplished via either a software wallet, an atomic wallet, or cold storage such as Trezor, Ledger, or Nano S. Likewise, given the large number of BTC purchase options presently available on the market, the most straightforward tactics for validating the main crypto asset should be observed. Methods for using standard exchange include mining, OTC/PTP local ATM, and receiving payment in Bitcoin for finishing certain activities. The various BTC procuring probable results broken down in this post should not be seen as a catalog of proven micro-earning ways available in the market now. Rather, they should be seen as a catalog of proven micro-earning methods available in the market. As a matter of caution, some of these tactics may not appear to be genuine in nature. Nonetheless, as previously stated, in this guide, we will discuss all the pros and downsides associated with each of these procedures. Here are some options for earning Bitcoin and getting paid in cryptocurrency. 1. Droppings. An airdrop is a form of advertising in the cryptocurrency industry that involves releasing free coins or tokens to wallet addresses in order to create awareness of another virtual currency. Small amounts of the new virtual currency are transferred to wallets as a freebie or as a result of a small favor, such as retweeting a message from an entity investing the currency. There are some revenue and risk of it. The amount of exertion rest required is little. It can be used by those who have little or no experience with cryptography. Airdrops have a relatively low overall earning potential. Clients might be able to make around $100 or so using these methods at most. Because airdrops are completely natural, there is virtually little risk involved. Number 2. Marketplaces for freelancers. Nowadays, freelancers can take advantage of a wide range of possibilities that cryptocurrencies provide. Make it simple to get compensated for their services no matter where they are in the world. Also, because cryptocurrencies are in high demand, finding people to trade with or exchanging them for local currencies or cryptographic money exchanges is easy. PayPal, Square, and other similar services have numerous additional expenses and taxes. Number 3. Obtain crypto using Coinbase. Coinbase, a digital asset exchange, has recently launched an online training curriculum on digital currencies and how to pay with them. End users can enroll in courses connected to DAI, blockchain, and EOS. And after passing the required test, a set of quantity of cryptocurrencies is transferred to the user's wallet address. Number 4. Micro-earning opportunities. Pay-per-click or PPC advertising is a web advertising model. This advertising model was used to increase website traffic. The publisher or website owner or search engine receives payment from advertising when visitors click the ad. Number 5. Bounty programs and signature campaigns. What exactly is a signature drive? It's simple to understand. You simply reserve your signature space. The sponsor compensates you for each significant contribution you make to the forum's conversation. The more money you earn, the better your standing. Bounties, on the other hand, are payment methods that allow people to earn money in exchange for tasks such as technical data translation and detecting faults in a startup's code. Do your research before opening new accounts with cryptocurrency investment sites. Find a firm you like and check to see whether it's authentic. If you intend to utilize Bitcoin Revolution, for example, look up "Is Bitcoin Revolution real?" before creating an account. Number 6. Cryptocurrency trading. The process of calculating the value of a cryptocurrency using a CFD trading account, or purchasing and selling the basic coins via a trade, is known as cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency trading is the process of analyzing cryptocurrency market behavior using CFD trading account or selling underlying money on exchanges like Bitcoin Prime. Various online merchants have begun to accept crypto exchanges as a means of exchanging tangible goods and services during the last 3 to 5 years. As a result, it is evident that exchanging cryptocurrencies for things might be a very risky strategy, especially given the issue's high level of unpredictability. Number 7. Affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is a method of earning money by promoting the products or services of others. You find something you like, promote it to others, and get a portion of the profit for each sale you make. This is currently a prevalent issue that a slew of well-known trading platforms and cryptocurrency exchanges address with affiliate programs, which allow users to win cryptocurrency in exchange for sharing sign-up links with their relatives and friends. Few trading platforms allow users to profit from affiliate commissions in the thousands of dollars. Number 8. Writing for cryptocurrency. Several cryptocurrency websites or blogs pay people to write about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in exchange for digital assets. Not only that, but there are a slew of VC-backed startups that are always on the lookout for writers to help them produce in-house content, particularly Bitcoin-related online networking posts, official statements, and so on. In terms of compensation, most firms provide their employees the option of getting paid in crypto or fiat. Number 9. Deal in cryptocurrency-related products. Individuals can generate money by providing helpful, relevant services to the global cryptocurrency network. Individuals can, for example, offer to build VC-related software, sell their services to companies, or act as an escrow agent for crypto transactions as a result of some BTC. Number 10. Mining. A few years ago, anyone with a moderately configured desktop computer can efficiently mine Bitcoin and other crypto resources. However, as the market has evolved, people will never be able to mine VCs using this approach again. People mining digital forms of money with low value, on the other hand, are becoming ever less productive nowadays. Individuals today must either build their own mining farms or source various high-end mining gear in order to mine cryptocurrencies. It's also worth noting that the method has grown extremely inefficient in recent years due to the high amount of electricity required. To summarize, mining is a high-risk activity that offers incredible gains under some circumstances, but also the chance of going bankrupt suddenly. Those looking to get into the industry should look for a place to obtain inexpensive, plentiful electricity as well as mining equipment in bulk. Number 11. Secure savings accounts pay crypto interest. Various financial institutions already offer crypto-based financial interest on savings accounts to its customers. The model is similar to fiat savings accounts in that users who deposit money are eligible to earn a fixed rate of interest on their property for a set period of time. Users can make anything from 1% to 6% interest each year utilizing this method. Furthermore, these interest rates could be increased, allowing for more cryptocurrency owners to increase their profits. With this in mind, it should be highlighted that these savings accounts are completely dangerous, as there is no guarantee that your assets will be safe. Number 12. Make money as a crypto influencer. As the majority of our readers are likely aware, single tweets from a large online following can be incredibly beneficial to crypto companies' total market exposure. Crypto specialists, like any other domain influencer, can make a lot of money if they have a large following on a social media site like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. When you get a significant number of followers interested in your venture capital, you may exploit that potential in a variety of ways, including crypto grants. What do you think about today's video? Share with us in the comments below. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about how you can make money online.